Okay, so hey guys, Shamar Crossfield here. It's kind of a different setup, but that's because a different type of video, as I usually say. But yeah, in today's video we're going to be doing I'm going to be doing a going vegan for a day challenge. To be honest, not so confident about it. I hope that I can make it to at least lunchtime, but we're gonna try to go all day. That's the intention, at least. No promises. Nonetheless, I did some prep last night. Like, I did a little bit of research just to really make sure that I'm committing to this. But you can see our footage right now. Whew. Alright, so how to be vegan. So today is currently the day before I turn vegan because I want to make sure that I go vegan for an entire day. So the vegan diet contains only plants such as vegetables, grains, nuts, and fruits. Let me write this down. This is not going to be easy. I have a feeling this isn't going to be easy. I like meat and I like things that have to do with like animals. I like animal products, but if throughout this video you guys see me eat something that does contain some animal essence in it, please don't drag me because I'm trying my best. Alright, so what I'm saying, so vegan. So I think that I'm sufficiently prepared. Probably not, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. And yeah, so that was from last night. Let's see how I do today. Yeah, let's just get the video started. It's currently about 6:30 right now, and I'm not gonna go wake up. Actually, I got up from like 5 o'clock. I wanted to update you guys. Right now I'm starting to feel kind of hungry. To be honest, I wasn't fully prepared for this, so there's like a lack of food like that's vegan based or not having animal essence in it, so that's going to be a little challenging. I mean, let's just get the day started. So let me just change out of my sleepwear. Alright, so yeah, just change and yeah, so I mean, let's get the day started and see where this challenge takes us. Hopefully I make it to the end, but yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys back at breakfast. My family's making eggs for their breakfast and the sun's coming down here in my room. Okay, so like I'm actually hungry now. It's breakfast time. I'm looking in the fridge for something, but honestly there's just so much meat in this freezer right now. Like, there's literally shrimp, a big piece of salmon, some meat from chicken, and some sausages up there. It's like, what is a vegan supposed to do? Like, sheesh. Okay, let me look for something. Wait, I just hit the jackpot, guys. There's some cabbage in here from yesterday. So I have that cabbage right there that I'll eat. This is it right there, cabbage. And so that's okay. And I'll probably make some dumplings. Yeah, I'll probably make some dumplings. So that's what I'll do for breakfast. That's the plan. And I'm going to like drink a tea bag. So alright guys, so I just finished eating my breakfast not too long ago, and I had to like rush to get to the online school because I was running late. So I didn't really get to show much of the food, but basically it was cabbage and dumpling, and it was kind of a heavy meal, to be honest. So I hope that will really last me over till like afternoon. I think it should. There's not many options in here for like vegan meals in the house, so I'll have to hold out with that. I'll probably eat a snack in between, probably for lunch I just eat a snack as well. But yeah, that's how it's going right now. So I'm gonna get back to the online class and update you guys at lunchtime. So okay, so progress report, guys. It's 12:30 right now, and I'm kind of hungry. I'm not even going to lie. I'm kind of hungry. I really thought that it could have hold me until like 1 o'clock, but it don't look so. I'm not really struggling. I'm not struggling. I'll probably eat a banana chips or something. But then again, is banana chips safe? Guys, I'm sorry. I didn't realize. Here I am, the same place where I started the challenge. Same place where I started the challenge last night. Here I am to end it, guys, because to be honest, I don't even regret it all that much, but I really wish I would have lasted longer. I accidentally ate saltfish fritters and piece of fish. A piece of fried fish. With some gas station food, man. Damn. But to be honest with you, to be so honest with you guys, I really did enjoy eating that fish and fritters. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth, man. Shout out to the vegans. Shout out to the vegans out there. Alright, I need to get back to my online class right now, but I'm going to end up the video properly in a second. So, alright, guys. So this is it. I'm about to end off the video. And I have to say, like, massive kudos to all the vegans out there, because if I was to tell you how many temptations I've had all day, because I'm a big sinner. But I have to say, big up to you guys, big up to all the vegans out there. Please don't get too upset at how easily I failed this. I think it was probably because, like, I didn't eat lunch, and then at that point I was just hungry. And I really wasn't thinking, like, I really forgot about the challenge. And then I was invited to eat some fish, and then I ate fish, and then, well, you guys know what happened after that. But anyways, this is a different type of video. I've had this idea kind of lingering around. I did not do good, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it nonetheless. I hope that it was at least the slightest bit of entertaining to you guys, and I appreciate you guys watching to the very end. Remember to subscribe. We're almost at 500 subscribers by the time you're watching this, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Shamar Crossfield. No promises.